Hey guys, Cindy here with my Artsy Endeavours. How are you doing today? I'm doing very good. Thank you so much for coming back and watching another video. This is a first for me. This is a sketchbook, and I have recently been really wanting to do a lot more sketching. I'm not, let me bring you out just a little bit. I'm not leaving my art journaling. I always do that. I always do my personal journaling, but lately I've been wanting to do a lot of sketching. So I've been watching tons of videos and I just decided to start doing it. So this is a Stillman and Byrne Zeta series. I have no clue where I got it. It's nice heavy paper. It's like a cardstock type paper. Please be gentle. I'm not a sketcher, but hey, I'm trying, and I figured I would be show you guys. So this is the very first thing I ever did. I don't even know when this was done. When I went and pulled this book off the shelf, this was already in here, and then the back side of this page was already in here. And it says breakfast, egg, onion and cheese burrito, and Dunkin' coffee. No idea. And then this one was an outfit. Apparently I was going to do prompts because there was breakfast, outfit, I have no idea. But at this point I crossed off all the prompts and I just decided to start sketching. So this is my pile of rocks that I just played around in. Now all of this has been done within the last week and a half. As you can see, I just started sloppily, basically sketching things that I saw, things that I wanted to do. This guy I'll show you in a second. This is my foot from above. I just decided to whatever. This I call Mr. It. Don't ask. I don't know. I was having fun. A flower, my breakfast coffee cup. This is not the one, but I drink one of these every morning full of coffee. So yeah, that was my breakfast coffee cup. Then I decided to put a little bit of color on this one. Didn't really like it because it smudged, and I was like, yeah, I'm done with that. Decided to make a teepee house, or a triangle house. Now this, I was just playing around with faces and fish, and just, that's what all of this is just play. Bugs. Get a couple bugs. Here's another bug. And then here's a couple mosquitoes. I have to laugh. Some kind of googly eye monster. A tree. Another pile of rocks. Some birds. Just some design, I don't know. This, I got a pack of new brushes from Hobby Lobby, and I just wanted to see what their lines were. Bunch of cups. Couple leaves. Like I said, be gentle. I'm just playing, and I just decided to share. So this is what I'm sharing. Ice cream cone. I like this. I saw this on Pinterest. I thought that was kind of cool. Just playing around with different faces. Some wonky houses. This I do when I sit at night or in the afternoon, whenever, and I watch TV. I usually have YouTube or something on, and I just sit and play around. A couple purses, I don't know, design, lady, flower, some splats, whatever you want to call them. I like these flowers. You might see more of these flowers because I really like them. And then last night I actually sat there and I was talking to my husband. We were talking about food. And I was like, oh, let me see what I can draw. So I did a piece of cake, a piece of pie, a baguette. Hopefully you guys can tell what these are. Taco, chocolate bar, avocado, donut, pancakes, some strawberries in a bowl, a radish, a carrot, the onion. These are just, what are those, the things that come down out of the trees in the wintertime. A chair, an ottoman, funky table. I think that table would fall over if it was in real life. A little house. And then just some flowers. And that's it. So, real quick, I wanted to show it to you. I've got another one that I started. It's out on the coffee table next to, you know, my recliner. And yeah, I had fun with this. And one thing I like about it is I don't have to worry about it. It's not perfect. I'm just playing. And I'm actually learning as I play. I'm learning more about how to make things look not so flat, more dimensional. I mean, I'm not perfect, and there's no way I will ever be, but I just wanted to show you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will chat with you later. Take care. Thanks for watching. Bye.